vælge, eller kan vi bruge den der måske? Vi skal lige spørge selvfølgelig.
Den her.
Den her. Jeg spørger lige.
Okay, ja. Og you're from upside.
Ralf, er det okay, vi lige låner den her murbalje?
Down on the passenger side.
Sorry, hvad siger du?
I hate all the crap that's always down on the passenger side.
Kan du sige det på dansk?
Hvordan siger man det på den?
Jeg er træt af alt det skrammel, der ligger nede i passagersiden. Hvad er det?
This.
Så er der også reklame.
Yeah, but don't forget.
Men nu er den allerede. Vi nåede ikke lige at få vores projekt gennemført i går. Tjek.
Oh, did you see that?
Nej, så hvad?
Deanna. Oh, yeah. Look at her picture. It's like an AI picture, and she's got this warrior steel armor on.
Nej, det så jeg ikke.
Yes. We're going this way. Can you say Salma? Bulwark jord.
Men jord samler man ikke, fordi det var hvis det var æbler, pieces, but soil for some reason don't go under pieces.
Okay, and then I don't know.
Så vi har bare været ude og hente jord.
Vi har været ude og hente jord. Se der.
Fra muldvarpskud.
Det er helt. And there's a few more there that are nicer without rocks. And probably. Yeah, stop. So am I allowed to take it or not?
Det tror jeg ikke. Men,
Then why are we out here?
Jamen, I said like they're throwing Danish, like foreigner out of Denmark because they have got a parking fine. I almost think I heard of.
They're not quite like that. It's more like a criminal record.
Men,
Well, you're Danish, so you won't get thrown out. You go and get it up there.
yeah, but if I'm gonna steal it, hvis jeg skal stjæle et muldvarpeskud, så skal det være et ordentligt et.
That was pretty okay. Not these ones, they're very stony.
Jeg tror, jeg kører ind og spørger en bondemand.
Okay. He's more likely to say no
Nej,
because he wants to keep his earth.
Jeg kender ham her lidt. Jeg ved, om man kan få en bøde for at køre uden sæl i sin YouTube-film.
Maybe. Yeah, there's somebody home.
Ja, så har de ingen muldvarpeskud.
They got no. Oh yeah, just yeah.
Ja. Jeg går simpelthen ind og spørger, så filmer du, når jeg går ind. Altså bare kun her fra bilerne. Så du tager. Ja.
What are you doing?
Jeg spørger bondemanden, om vi må låne et muldvarpeskud.
Okay. What did you say?
Jeg siger, de er nok på jagt. Det er jo søndag.
But yak season's not starting till the 1st of May or so, or 15 or 14.
Nej, det er rigtigt.
One of those
okay,
days.
så de er i kirke. gå ind på anden mands grund. Man må gå i skel, hvis man skal noget ned til en å, hvor man allerede har fiskeretten. Og
See, look, just a look.
ja, der er det lidt cleanere.
Yeah. I mean, there is some stones in it, but again, we still haven't researched if we're allowed to or not. But as you said, no, actually, you did say we weren't allowed to. But you should go. You're Danish. You won't get thrown out. And
Hæleren er værre end stjæleren.
what?
Ved du ikke, hvad det betyder?
No, of course not.
Det betyder, that the follower of a steal or inspire to it is worse than the actually stealer.
I'll just say I had no idea what you were doing. Then you wouldn't be able to post this video.
Then you're a liar.
Yeah. Okay.
And
Let's
that's what
just
we
go
don't
home
want to
then.
be. Nej.
Or Yemen fix it and then buy soil.
Nej.
I don't want to continue having this argument.
Da de købte al jorden og jagten her, så måtte vi heller ikke fiske nede ved åen. Der går et rådyr. Kamera.
Oh, is it?
Så er det på tøden. Hoppede den. Det fik du ikke, nu render den ud på den anden side.
No, I don't.
Så dum var han heller ikke.
Do you think Danish find it weird?
Jo, I think I find it really weird, men jeg vil hellere spørge, end jeg vil
That's a pretty
stjæle.
cool oven thing.
Jeg ved ikke, hvor meget vi bruger af private property, men der er masser af sten.
Yeah. That's not too bad. It's all along
Det
there.
ligner ikke godt jord. Ja, og det er lige præcis, der er muldvarpeskud, der er muldvarpeskud.
Yeah.
Men må man egentlig?
Shouldn't we look that up? I mean, it's just on the side of the road on the nature strip. Or is there no such thing as a nature strip here?
Altså, det er ikke helt det samme, men
See, look, there's heaps there. Oh, that's heavy. Drive. Oh, that's the farmer that you were going to
jamen, så
ask.
spørger jeg ham.
I'm not going to record the farm.
Og det vil altså sige, at det her, som ligner et tyveri, er en film. Og filmen, den er jo, det netop er, at det er helt vildt, at man helt ned i de her petitesser, når man ikke har en fast permanent opholdstilladelse. Så skal man passe på. Fartbøder, parkeringsbøder. Hvis du er kriminel i Danmark, så kan du ryge ud, skat.
I don't see how getting a speed ticket will make you a criminal. I don't think that's accurate. Okay.
Tror jeg. Men vi skal endelig have valg, hvor vi glæder os.
So,
Stiller han også
again,
op? Igen hvad?
you have to say, er det en AI? Because I don't
Er
know
det
if I
en
got...
AI-plakat?
Yeah, it was. She had armor on. Black zucchini.